Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's what is it? Solana video update. And Solana right now is on the verge of the weekends over here. So the weekend is probably not a good time to look at a coin. If you do get over the weekend today's Saturday, so if you actually just move sideways a little bit, then I highly doubt that you're gonna dump during the weekend. Then there's a good chance that you don't really make the weekend dump to the downside. But one thing I'm going to do is actually talk about a reversal wave, and that's going to be from the bottom here to the top right there. And yeah, so Solana is basically holding the golden ratio like a boss. Okay, so holding the golden ratio like a boss. If anyhow you start to close below $31.53, just come a little bit down, close below it, go for the retest and fail. That's where you're looking for Solana to basically come down all the way to $19.17, as long as you lose this level. If you're not losing it, then that's a good thing, by the way. Now, one more thing to notice is there's a little bit of an apex coming in, being built up. So it's going to be something like that. And you also have something like this as well. You can even say that it's a continuation pattern, and you can break it out. And if you do break it out, then you're looking for this continuation from there to there. And from wherever you're going to break it out, that's going to take you all the way down to the one level, which is going to be the $26 level. So be careful. The apex is actually coming in by 3rd of July. Until tomorrow, you're going to get an answer. So if you do pop to the upside and by the weekdays, then there's a good chance that you're not going to go downside. It's all about breaking it. So let's wait, let's give it time, and let's look for where the hell we're going to break to which direction it's going to go to. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.